What's up, good people? So I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be I'm going to be sharing this indicator for boom and crash, the best momentum indicator. And then today we are going to be looking at momentum and support and resistance, basically using this indicator. You well know, you can see that this is crash 1000. No, this is boom 1000. This is boom 1000. Yeah, and then I think you can see this is an Ichimoku. So basically, an Ichimoku helps us. It's a technical indicator, but it is so good on support and resistance. Like it can help us to gauge support and resistance. That's one of the most important things about it. So I've eliminated certain features of it, and then I'm mostly interested in this cloud. You get in this cloud, as you can see. But then we are going to be seeing how it will help us to identify areas of support and resistance. Basically, identifying these areas with the purpose of determining where we are going to take entries. Let's say taking entries at areas of taking sell entries at areas of resistance, and then taking buying entries at areas of support. Then I have this moving average that you're seeing over here. It's also important, and moving average is also, it's an exponential moving average. Something exponential shows where the strength really is. Let's say if at all we are in an upward trend like this, so something exponential, it shows that if at all big impulses are happening, like in the bullish side, it means that exponentially the market is bullish. So which means we expect larger swings as we go up. Then one other thing that I don't want to miss out, I'm testing it on M15. So it's going to really be helpful for those ones that are looking for entries of let's say a day. And actually now let me turn on the period separators over here so that we can see whether we can be spotting opportunities every day. Opportunities every day. And then you can see have these period separators. So which means this was a day, you get these period separators. So we are going to be seeing that each day there is an opportunity for us. We just have to wait for it. So now this is it. Before I go into the settings, what we are going to be looking out for is that let's focus on this cloud. You get? Let's focus on the cloud. It is either green or red. So for green, it is an indicator that we are in the bullish, like we are in a bullish trend. You get bullish momentum. So which means bigger impulses are happening on the bullish side. We get a retracement and then we go back. And then you can see we are mostly getting our retracements back to this moving average that you're seeing over here. You get? So because I thought of getting an indicator that is going to one show us the direction. But then we know the market keeps on making those pullbacks. So where could someone target to take an entry if at all we are still proceeding up? That's why I thought of this moving average. That's why I thought of that moving average. Then if at all this cloud is shading, if it is shading red, then we are in a strong bearish trend. You get? We are in a strong bearish trend. uh, then we are going to be taking keen note of the areas where the market turned. You get? Let's say if at all we shifted in this area over there. You get? We take keen note of it, because there is a likelihood that when we reach here, let's say when we drop to these areas, the market may also shift back. So we have to watch out for that. So which means those areas, or sometimes when we are now when you're using these momentum indicators, you get, let's say, moving averages and all that. Now there are those moments when the market, let's say the market comes and wait, there are those moments when the market comes, it drops, and then it retests that. You get? It retests that. Sometimes it will be retesting on this one. So now for this one, for this setup, you get, for the Ichimoku, for the cloud, you get, whenever we come and retest it, then that means that is a key area. You get it? It's going to be a key area of, if at all we are in a bearish market, which means we are painting red, that would be most times when we retest it, that is a valid area of supply. You get? It becomes a valid area of supply. Those are going to be valid areas of supply. By the way, for those guys, if you're here and then you're good at technical analysis without, let's say, yes, price action and all that, trust me, if you apply this indicator the way it is, and then each moment, for most of for crash, where it was touching, where it was touching the cloud, trust me, that point is going to be a valid point of supply. You get? It's going to be a valid point of supply for those boys out there who know technical analysis. You backtest that. So, and then time comes. Let me even blend in a little bit of technical analysis. If at all we start breaking supply, you get? If at all we start breaking supply, there is a likelihood that now demand is going to start holding. You get? Demand is going to start holding, so which means when we come and touch an area like down here, let me hope you guys are not moving fast, because I'm so addicted to price action, because that's why sometimes I fail to be dedicated completely to an indicator strategy. I want to blend in the price action. So there is a likelihood that when we come here, we are going to start moving up. We've broken that supply, then which means we come and target that, and then the market keeps on moving like that. But let me not go into that. You get? So these are areas of supply. But anyway, a quick hint: we've started breaking supply as we go up. So which means demand may start to hold. You get? Demand may start to hold. Yes. Then let me quickly talk about this moving average that I have, this orange moving average. Now, the orange moving average is going to help us with the intraday volatility. Intraday volatility, because given that for me when I'm on M15, I see M15 as my intraday time frame. Like it gives me the intraday order flow. So which means if at all we're in a bearish trend, indicated by this Ichimoku cloud. Now, the moment the market comes, let's say it breaks, and then it comes to retest the moving average, you get? I take entries and then we drop. So you can see that the market was retesting. So you can be adding entries on each pullback. The market comes and then you drop. That was a dropping day, so you could add entries here. Or if it's dropping and then you missed out the entry, you wait for it to come and retest the moving average, just like that. You get? Just like that. And then you go in for the sales, not until when you see that the market has crossed above. You get? When the market crosses above this moving average, you get? And then it also crosses the cloud, then that is a reversal. What do you wait for? I told you, for moving averages, the market retests the moving average. So if we've gotten a shift in market structure, and then which means we wait for a retest to this moving average, and then we take entries to buy. You get? So that is the technique. That is the technique. That is the technique. So I believe maybe I'll make part two of this video. Now, you guys, today, if at all you feel like I should explain more of this, I can make part two of this video, and you can leave in the comment down below, or you can text me on Telegram. The link is going to be in the description. So if at all you want me address something else, to explain something else, as far as this indicator is concerned, these indicators are concerned, I'm going to go into the settings, but then maybe I'll miss out some things. So you can text me, or you can just write in the comments below, and then you suggest what you want to see. By the now, I'm willing to do more of indicator videos, in sharing indicators, because I saw that you guys are bored with technical analysis and price action, which is fine. And if at all your test is into indicators, it is okay. So I think I should do more of indicators, of which there is a lot that I can share. So you guys, you suggest, what would you want me to talk about indicators? Or which indicators would you want me to start modifying for you so that they can work for you? I think that one really works. So I'll also show you this setup on MT5. I will also show you how you can put it. But then for the moving average, this is trading view, and I shared how you get it. uh, for the moving average, it is period 20. You get apply to close. Then here it is an EMA. You get exponential moving average, and then the color is orange. You get the color is orange. So exponential moving average, period 20, apply to close. You get, and that's it. And then we are going to go on the Ichimoku. The Ichimoku settings are here. You get, if you're on trading view, like you're not going to change anything here. You get, you just come here on style. You're going to turn off, you're going to uncheck this conversion line. Like you turn it off, the baseline you turn it off, and the lagging span you're going to turn it off. You're going to leave on the leading span A, and then the leading span B, and then you leave on the plus to the background. So basically you only turn off these three, and then you leave the rest. You get, you leave the rest, and now that will be okay. You get, that will be okay. So you'll have a setup like this one. By the for crash, for boom 1000 and crash 1000, it's really going to work well because they move a lot. Like they can move in a given direction for a long time. You get, for a long time. You get, so we cross back, you take entries. So let's go on MT5, and then I quickly show you. So on MT5 it's kind of crooked and weird. For the exponential moving average, you add period 20. Now you guys, I believe you guys are sharp now. I don't need to go and I show you how to add an exponential moving average. So but then what I'm interested in is the Ichimoku settings. You get, so on MT5, basically, this is how it's going to look. For me, it looks ugly on MT5, but you can really see it. So you can come, and then let me let me go into properties. So these are the parameters. The Tenkan Sen is period 9, Keijun Sen is period 9, then the Senku Span B is period 62. What I'm interested in are the colors. So now, if you have a white background, you're going to turn the Tanken-sen to white. You're going to turn the Kinju-sen to white, and the Chinkspan to white. Then you're going to leave the up. You're going to change the color of the up Kumo in the up Kumo. It's going to be in green. You get, and then the down Kumo. For this one, I forgot. It's supposed to be in red. You get, it's supposed to be in red. So that's how it's going to be, and then it will be highlighting the red part and the green part. But now when we cross down, so you can really see it. You get, if when you cross down, so basically this is how it's going to look on MT5. It also works. You get, it also works. And now it's only that MT5 doesn't bring it out well, but then here on trading view it's really really beautiful. It's really beautiful. So I thank you guys so much for watching. So I'm waiting for your reactions. And then by the you guys, for the new people here, you backtest a lot, and then you do a lot of demo trading. I believe you gain experience. You get, yeah, trading is real and trading is not gambling. I believe you can learn, and of which I want you guys to learn. You get, and then sometimes you focus. By the, let me give you a quick hint. If you choose to first learn about indicators, you learn so much about indicators. And then when you choose to learn about, let's say, price action and technical analysis, you learn more of technical analysis so that you don't mix up ideas. You get, so that you don't mix up ideas. I used to find that challenge where I would go into indicators and then I go into price action, and like I would get lost. So you focus on one thing at a go, but I believe you guys will become winners sometime. I wish you the best and peace.